is a model university benefactor. Not only that he is an extraordinary success in the high-tech world, but he has been very highly effective in really securing accessibility to world-class education to youngsters. And this is this marriage here between the Youth University and the School of Computer Science.
Checkpoint is an amazing group of people that prove the world that Israeli companies can become and stay leaders in one of the most important areas we are tackling in our world today, securing our lives in cyberspace. This is an amazing opportunity for us to support the staff of Tel Aviv University in shaping the future of our society. Our quest is to make the world a safer place, is empowered by this shared investment in the future. So good luck to all of us, and I hope that this building will enable its member to believe in their dream, fulfill them, and build our future.
I'd like to thank, of course, everyone that's been involved in this great, beautiful project, and especially thank Gil, who's not only over the past 30 years have been involved in developing and strengthening the state of Israel through his company and through making it such a powerful and large corporation, so to develop Israel in an economical way. But he also is a very dear partner of Rashi.
We've gathered here today to say to the men and women who funded, designed, and built our new home, our elegant and unique home. Tevorachna hayadayim she'asu ubanu. Bless your hands and thank you for your part in this journey. Toda rabah.
Be part of the next big idea. Welcome to Tel Aviv University.